This 2018 Chevrolet Equinox is brought to you by J&M Auto Sales Inc. This 2018 Chevrolet Equinox Premier is one great-looking, fun-driving SUV. This Equinox has all the eyeball you could ever want. Great-looking, great driving, and well cared for by the previous owner who took great care of the vehicle, and it shows. The paint looks excellent with a deep glossy shine, and the interior is very clean with no unusual stains or unusual odors. The vehicle was just fully serviced and inspected. Everything was up to date, and it comes with $0 deductible nationwide warranty at no cost. Mechanically, this Equinox Premier runs and drives very nice. It starts right up and idles smooth, accelerates and shifts nice, and it drives great at highway speeds, 65 to 70 miles per hour, with no unusual noises, and it drives nice around town as well. It has the 1.5-liter, which not only gets great gas mileage but has proven very dependable over the years. This Chevrolet Equinox Premier features alloy wheels, air conditioning, power windows, power locks, cruise, tilt wheel, Bluetooth backup camera. Visit us at jmmotorslebanon.com.